Hello guys, today I got a new package. Just ordered it and received it now. It's a Bluetooth speaker from WeCool. So let's open the box and see. Opening up the box. Here you can see it is Canon Bluetooth speaker from WeCool. And you can see it is rated 299, but luckily I got at just 999. So now let's unbox the box, cutting the tape in the seal. Let's open the box. So let's see. It comes in the box, as you can see, this speaker, a charging cable and a user manual. You can see everything. So let's get started with the speaker itself. It has a bottom rubber grip, so it won't slip away. It sticks very well. It is built of metal. You can see metal. And here is the switch on off button, as you can see, and it is branded WeCool. The on off button, it can also play, pause and receive call. And here is the power button to on. So let's try it and pair. See, the light is blinking. It says that it is ready to pair. So now let's try to pair. I will just open my Bluetooth and search for it, and go to my Bluetooth setting and search for available device. It says S021. It is now paired, as we can see. So now let's try and play something. So now let's try to listen the song. Let me crank the sound. It feels very nice. It's a nice thing. I love it. So do like, share and subscribe this channel to see more content like this. And I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Peace.